Hey there, welcome to Doing Things Dan's Way. So today, just a quick little project here. I have a common occurrence where I have things in the back of my car where, I kind of don't want someone to be able to see it. I regularly keep a bug out bag back here, and it just looks like luggage. And if someone wants to break in, they're not going to break into a car that's stuff where they can't see in. So this is something that, this car, you can just look right in and see what's back here. So what I really need is a tonneau cover that would really, the car is designed to have one. And in fact, if you have the limited or the platinum editions, from my understanding, there's actually one stored down here that may be there right now that you didn't even know was there. There's actually a spot for it to fit. But this is the XLT, and then the other couple models that are like the lesser ones don't come with the cover automatically. So I went searching and found one on Amazon that works really well. Let me show you. So this is the cover that I found. The things I like about it, it's spring loaded. So you basically squish it and stick it in the spots that the factory has already set up for one of these, and it pops right out. It is completely full width, at least as wide as the factory original one. And it comes with these extra sleeves that clip into the headrests on the back of the second row there. So even if you push those seats way forward, you get an additional at least foot worth of coverage where people can't see what's happening, underneath the cover. So to install this, all you can do is come in and use the holes that are already in the factory. So you just get that side in first, then we're gonna come over here and squeeze it. It's spring loaded and it just pops into place. And this comes out just like that. Here, there's nice clips. They're gonna clip into the back of the headrests. So that one there, and that one there. So obviously the headrests need to be installed for this to work. And these are just gonna fill up the gap between so people can't see in. Now if I run the seat all the way forward, the nice thing is this thing continues to follow it. So even if I had this set up to where I'm using the back seat, the seats are in that position, this area is maximized. There's a lot of space here that's being covered by this cover. Obviously it's doing a great job of covering everything down here. Let's go ahead and close it. Okay, so now if I'm gonna try and look in the car, I clearly can't see anything. Pop it open. It's basically right flush with the outside surface here. Now from here, if I wanna open it up again, it's a little awkward. You actually have to kind of grab it and kind of pull it down to get it to release. And then it can end up in there, it's pretty, I'm not particularly tall or long, so it's not a problem, but you can at least still get back here. And then you can grab it. And here you kind of have to grab it a little bit awkwardly just so you can get these things back in their holes. But then it does, because of the way it's kind of turning itself back up, it does nicely basically reseal the whole thing. So you really can't see what's down there at all. So this was just a short, quick one for you, just to say hey, if you think you can use something like this, they really do exist. And this particular one works really, really well. It's well made, and it definitely does the job of keeping eyes out of seeing what's back here. So if you like that, there's a link in the description below. Other videos here in the Highlander Life series you can hit up, all kinds of modifications and accessories I've done, as well as a whole series where I've replaced all the LEDs on the car, or all the bulbs with LEDs. So you can hit that up too. Till next time, guys, be blessed.